Are you encountering the error? Something went wrong. If this issue persists, please contact us through our help center at help.openai.com. If you encounter this error, then our first approach should be to simply reload the page. Click on this URL here and hit enter once again. But if it doesn't work, then go to this website status.openai.com. Now, this predicts the downtime for OpenAI and ChatGPT. What does it mention right now? It mentions that we are dealing with periodic outages due to an abnormal traffic pattern reflective of a DDoS attack. So they are working on it, and if they fix it, you'll get to know. So you can try again after a while, let's say after half an hour or 1 hour. And other than this, if you check through this forum, you'll also realize that you are not alone with this issue since it's a server issue. Now it occurs less with ChatGPT 4 and the paid version, but more frequently with ChatGPT 3.5. So you can obviously buy the paid version if you want to. You can click on upgrade and you can upgrade to the plus version. And one more thing that you can try is that you can click on these three dots here in the case of Chrome, or these three lines in case of Firefox. Select history, then click on clear recent history, and then change this to everything, and make sure that browsing history and data history, cookies and cache is selected, and click on clear now. That is it. This is the maximum you can do, and if it doesn't work even after that, then all you can do is try again after a while. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.